guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be doing a quarantine clean with me. So basically it's just gonna be me cleaning my room because my room has been so messy for like 2 weeks and I just have not wanted to clean it because I'm like, if I can't do it for a YouTube video, why am I gonna clean my room? And that's a really bad mindset to have, but at the same time I love watching cleaning videos and it inspires me, so I want to inspire you guys to clean your room and just clean your workspace and anything like that, because I know that a lot of people do their homework and now they're online school in their rooms, and just having a clean room really just like declutters your mind and makes you more productive, I feel, at least for me. And also another thing is that it makes your room look so much bigger. Like when your room is messy, it's so small, it's so weird. If you're new to my channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below. I'm trying to reach 10k really soon, and also make sure to give this video a like. Let's try to get it to 50 likes, and also make sure to put on my post notifications. It just notifies you every time I upload a video. And also follow my Instagram and Snapchat. It's a super fun time on there, and let's get started. Wait, where's my clean with me video? What? February 1st? I filmed this in like March. Okay, let's cut to the chase. The real reason that I'm showing you this footage is because I cleaned my room so much a month ago and I never got to show this footage. And I thought, you know what? This is inspiring too, and also I deserve to be able to show this footage for all my hard work I did. So here it is, and we'll get into the video in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I'm embarrassingly going to show you a before because I just want you guys to see how dramatic this clean with me is going to be. So let's get started. Okay, so the only clean part in my room right now is my desk because I actually impulsively cleaned it yesterday and there used to be like a lot of clutter, and I still kind of want to clean it a little bit, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that today. But yeah, it's super cute. I have my sign, my bullet journal and everything, but the mess literally starts like 2 feet as you walk in, just in this area, and then some stuff here, and then you have some stuff on the floor, and like just all this. I kind of moved it just for the thumbnail, so it wasn't like, you know, this, it wasn't just in the middle of the floor like this. All this stuff is just not in my closet, and then all these pillows are here, and then there's all these pillows on my bed that I moved from this chair because I was sitting on it in the intro. I have this up still, but I kind of like to keep that up, but I don't really know. But, and then this part is just so messy, and I needed to declutter that too. And then we have all these prom dresses that I don't even think I'm gonna wear this year because everything's been canceled. And then this monstrosity of a corner. This is really just a like throw anything corner, and it's been used quite a bit recently. Okay, I don't even know where to start. Okay, I'm gonna start with the clothes because I feel like that's just like literally the majority of why my room is messy. So I'm gonna just try to put those in my closet. So the way that I like to do this is by first organizing what article of clothing it is. So I'll put sweatshirts in one pile, t-shirts in one pile, and pants on another pile. And then once I get that all organized, then I'll start hanging it in my closet. And I have pants on one side, shirts on one side, sweatshirts on the top 2 like hanger thingies, and yeah, I really want to do like a closet clean out, which I've said so many times in this video, but I feel like that'd be super cool, and I could even like color code it, which would be really awesome. So let me know if you color code your closet because I'd love to know, and also tell me if you keep it color coded because I feel like if I did it, I would immediately become uncolor coded and just become really messy. Okay, so my room's looking a little bit less messy, at least over here, and then this hamper I have to just put outside, and then this corner looks the same, but it's kind of still less messy than it was before with all my clothes on it, but this is kind of just my dump corner. I have to clean this out eventually, but just not today. And then this is still a little bit messy, but it's just all my prom dresses, and it's like I don't really know what to put them. But yeah, so this whole thing is just not gonna be cleaned. We're just gonna act like it's clean by opening my door so that you don't really see it. But yeah, so then you have my closet. My closet looks pretty, I mean, my closet always looks really messy because there's just so much, and I have to do a closet clean out, which I've been wanting to do for a while. But honestly, like, it looks pretty decent for the moment. Yeah, so yeah, there's so many videos that I've been wanting to do. Like, for example, I really want to do like a huge massive closet clean out and just get rid of so many clothes that I just don't wear. So stay tuned for that in the upcoming future. And then my bed looks pretty good, but I'm kind of being really indecisive with the pillows because I always just have so many, and like still have this one, which is really massive. So it's kind of hard to like decorate them, especially with my huge Perry. Yeah, so just trying to like make it not look crazy. Let's see, if we move Perry a little bit, kind of move him like that, and then if we just move his tail back, this here, use this as like a diamond shape. Is that kind of cute? I don't know. I don't really like that. Okay, I think I'll put, this is so crazy. think I'll put this here, put that there, put this here, and then honestly, I think I'm just gonna shove that one down. Just, you know, I like it, but I just need space. Okay, yeah, and then this sweatshirt I have to fix because the string came out and I really like the string and I need to put it back in, but yeah. And then I have some pajama pants that I need to put in here. This is always so mean to me when I'm trying to open it with one hand. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I am just going to do that. Oh, and I have another sweatshirt. Okay, so I have my school sweatshirt, but I'm kind of too lazy to hang it up, so I'm literally just gonna shove it in here with my pajama pants. Okay, so I have this long sleeve shirt that I used to wear like in the winter under my uniform because literally it's so cold, and it's the same color as my uniform, so I'm literally just gonna stuff it in there. I don't know if it's just me, but I like literally don't have any long sleeve shirts, and that's like really annoying in the winter because it's super cold here. So I don't really know, but that's one of my only ones, and it's really good. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with this. These are just some sports shorts, so I'm just gonna put those in here. The thing is like I don't really use the clothes in this dresser that much. Like these are kind of all like either shorts, like summer clothes, or just, I don't know, random clothes, so I kind of just shove them in here. This is an old Halloween costume that I never actually got to use because I didn't like it. And then I just have all these things here, just things that I have needed to put somewhere, but I always say that and it never happens. These are some clothes that I've been wanting to like sell or donate, but I just have not gotten around to that. So yeah. Okay, so now I just have to kind of like rearrange furniture in my room, like just to kind of where they usually are. And I don't know, there's just like so much I want to do like differently because I feel like my room needs to change a little bit, like just where all the furniture is, especially my desk, because I never like sitting there. Now that it's cleared off though, I kind of am more tempted to sit there because I'm like, ooh, like, okay, like I cleaned it, looks nice. But I don't know, so maybe in the future I might do a video of like reorganizing my room, like actually moving furniture and stuff. I don't really know how I would do that because the setup I have right now is actually like really like perfect almost, just except for that desk part. And then I also definitely need to just do like a room clean. There's so many things in here that I just like need to throw out or put in a place that's not my room. Yeah, so. Okay, so I'm finally done cleaning my room and it just, it looks so much bigger. I just feel decluttered and just fresh-minded, like a whole new me. Like, it's just crazy. But yeah, so I'll show you guys the after. Okay, so this is the finished room. Just from the surface and the get-go, it looks a lot cleaner. There's still definitely like clutter in places, but it just looks cleaner than, hey guys, it just looks cleaner than it did before. And then we have my bed, and like I always, whenever I clean my room, just like the floor, it always just seems so much bigger. Like I could just like dance and like roam around. Like it's so weird. Like my room is just so big after I clean it, which is a really good thing. So this is where we started. We had clothes on the floor, blankets on the floor, pillows on the bed. We had furniture just all over the place and very unorganized. And yeah, so this is pretty much what the before is. This is just a little overview of what it looked like before to get a clearer picture. And now I'm gonna show you the after. So this is what it looks like now. It's so much cleaner and the floor is completely clear of clothes and blankets. And then this is the bed. The pillows are nicely arranged and everything is just thriving. So that's pretty much the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope that this inspired you to clean your room, and also comment down below if I should do a closet clean with me or a reorganizing my bedroom kind of video, because I'd love to do those. And also, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and put in my post notifications. It just notifies you every time I upload a video. And also make sure to give this video a like. Let's try to get it to 50 likes, and make sure to follow my Instagram and Snapchat. It's a super fun time on there, and I'll see you guys in my next video. What? Where's the intro? She always shows the intro. I love the music and intro, and I love clicking subscribe, and I love clicking all the videos so that I can watch more. Why is she showing me her cleaning her living room? Oh, I know why. She wants to inspire me. Or maybe she's just proud of this footage and this was her only outlet of showing it to the world. So I guess I'll support her. Why not? Now it's intro time.